day to have a wander in the nursery. Just give a little tour. Metro sitters, Tomasi looking very happy. A little bit pale, but I like it when it's pale. It's nice. New Zealand Christmas tree, they say it's called. What else? I shall pause and move on. New pot plants under construction. A new potting bench still under construction. And a polytunnel about to be assembled. It's coming on winter. Autumn's almost over. This tree is losing its leaves and making a lot of mess. But still a nice day to have a quick wander. It's been raining and stuff, so it's very wet.
It's got a lot of cones.
Does it?
It's a Japanese, I think it's, what is it?
Black pine.
Yeah, Japanese black pine.
Oh, yeah, it has got cones. The first cones we've had, is it?
Yeah.
Nice. Pine cones. Japanese
black
pine cones. Yes, a very sought after tree for bonsai. But we're not bonsaiing it, are we?
No.
Not really. It's growing very quickly.
Oh, really? We've had it for 2 years.
Well, yeah. It was in a small pot though. What else? Planning for this dichondra grass to sort of turn green and get longer, and this is the Cerastium tomentosa, which I hope will fill out on both ends of that long bonsai. And this
Fern leaf stenocarpus.
okay, a stenocarpus, so related to the firewheel tree. But fernleaf stenocarpus, this is a big rainforest tree which looks a lot like a fern, but how beautiful, that new leaf, so nice colour. And that, how cool is this? This tree waratah, which I grew from seed. It's so cool. Oh, very proud of that one. That's great. They're a beautiful tree. Yeah. So here we've got mangoes and avocados, and actually Japodicava, which we bought actually from Raineski Bonsai, but it's starting to get a nice size to it. Laura's done a bit of formative pruning on it. Looks good. And this multi-branched mango, was that the one that was like a multi-embryo? No, that's just...
Yeah.
Was that like it had like 3 branches coming out of the one embryo, which we thought, that's definitely a keeper, because we sold a lot of them, but this one's going to be an interesting shape, so we'll keep that bonsai, or we'll let it grow into a tree. And this one just has a different leaf. This must be a different mango variety. I just don't remember eating anything but Kensington Pride, except for this middle guy, which is that Thai Namdok Mai, beautiful tasting mango, which we've grown seed from it because it tasted a bit like coconut. It's really nice. And your citrus collection, it's actually around the back there. Let's go around. So yeah, this is the Laura's finger lime actually collection. This one here we just ordered, or she did. What's it called again?
Citrus glauca.
Citrus glauca. So it's cute leaf. It's just a lemon green sort of coloured lime.
Desert lime.
Desert lime, yeah. That's a finger lime. It's a native Australian finger lime. And so is this. And how cool. Look how many fruit there are on it. It is just going off. My screen is getting very wet, but as long as it's not the camera lens, I think we're okay. This Waratah, Protea, is looking fabulous. This Erica, this always puts on a show in winter. It's very cool. Although it's starting to look a bit wispy. Might give it a prune soon. Variegated black pine.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks interesting, doesn't it? And the Wallamai pine. Everyone's got to have a Wallamai pine in their collection. That's pretty cool. It's a prehistoric native Australian pine that goes back to the dinosaur era. Oh, your little stumpy gold banksia is in flower. That's fantastic. Looks so nice with all the water droplets on it. Just the one flower this year, but I guess next year it'll flower here and here at each of these terminals. There's a little spiral where you see it's going to form a new flower. If I can get that to focus, I don't know. Yeah, pretty cool little bush, shrub. Oh, I think it's time to pack up. It's getting cold. Illawarra flame tree. They're so pretty. Nice trees, different foliage. And this is a protea grown by Protea flora. I love it. It's such a cool protea. It's called crackerjack red, I think. Yep. And just it gets these little white flowers all down the stem. It's not in flower yet. Oh, it looks like they're developing. The little flower buds in there. Different, very different for a protea.